Hello students, today we are going to study the last method of preparation of alkyl halide, that is Sandmeyer's reaction. In this reaction, nitrogen of aryl diazonium salt is replaced by using halogen. Here you must be note that all halogens we use to replace nitrogen of aryl diazonium salts, and this reaction called as Sandmeyer's reaction. Here the one word comes aryl diazonium salt. The general formula for aryl diazonium salt is aryl diazonium salt is Ar(N2 plus X minus). Here this Ar represent aryl group, N2 plus represent diazonium, and X minus represent any type of negative part or negative group which balance this positive charge on N2. Now we see how this aryl diazonium salt prepared. So let us see the preparation of aryl diazonium salt. Here we take sodium nitrite, and this sodium nitrite when treated with HCl, then it produces NaCl and HNO2. This HNO2 should be written like this HONO, and this is called as nitrous acid. And further, this nitrous acid is used to prepare diazonium salt by using aniline. Aniline, when treated with nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid is prepared by using sodium nitrite and HCl at temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin, and then this gives a product benzene diazonium chloride. And this benzene diazonium chloride or salt is prepared by using aniline and nitrous acid. Further, this benzene diazonium chloride is used for the preparation of aryl halides. And these aryl halides that is fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene, they required different types of reagents. First turns towards the preparation of chlorobenzene. The first aryl halide we should prepare, that is chlorobenzene. Hence here we see the preparation of chlorobenzene by using benzene diazonium chloride. Here we use benzene diazonium chloride as earlier we prepared. This benzene diazonium chloride, when treated with cuprous chloride, we should write both formula for cuprous chloride and HCl. This is benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous chloride. Then this gives chlorobenzene as a final product, and this nitrogen gas is expelled out from reaction mixture. The next preparation is that preparation of bromobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous chloride and HBr, then it gives bromobenzene. Turns towards the preparation of iodobenzene. Preparation of iodobenzene. Preparation of iodobenzene and fluorobenzene requires different condition as we use chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Here simply this benzene diazonium chloride, when simply treated with Ki, and just that required warm condition, then it gives as usual iodobenzene. And N2 gas expel out from the reaction mixture. Now see the preparation of fluorobenzene. This fluorobenzene required the different method of preparation or different reagents than above three, that is chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. Now we see the preparation of fluorobenzene. Here we take the benzene diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride, and this benzene diazonium chloride first treated with fluoroboric acid. treated with fluoroboric acid, that is HBF4. This is a fluoroboric acid. It gives the another salt called benzene diazonium fluoroborate. It produces the salt by simple replacement of this Cl minus by using BF4, and gives the salt called benzene diazonium fluoroborate. This BF4 replaces this Cl minus, and the HCl is leave as a byproduct from reaction mixture. Again, by simple heating of this benzene diazonium fluoroborate, produce product fluorobenzene, and also produce N2 gas and BF3. This is the method of preparation of aryl halide by using benzene diazonium salt, and this reaction called as Sandmeyer reaction. When we slightly change the condition or reagents in Sandmeyer reaction, then this reaction becomes, or this reaction called Gattermann reaction. In Gattermann reaction, we use copper powder instead of copper salts. This Gattermann reaction is used for the preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Let us see what is Gattermann reaction. Here the Gattermann reaction is simply we see the preparation of chlorobenzene. By using Gattermann reaction. Simply we change the reagents in Gattermann reaction. Here benzene diazonium chloride, when treated with copper powder and HCl. Simple. This reaction condition is changed. In Sandmeyer reaction, here we took the cuprous salt, but here we take copper powder. Then it gives the similar product as Sandmeyer reaction, like as Sandmeyer reaction, that is chlorobenzene, and N2 gas expel out. Similar like this, we should prepare bromobenzene. Here we reacts benzene diazonium chloride with copper powder and HBr, and it gives product bromobenzene. These both reactions repeated in chapter number 13, amines. But here, the study of this reaction is must, because we see how aryl halides are prepared. But in chapter number 13, this reaction discussed in detail.